Have you ever felt the need to cleanse your spirit and align with your ancestral path? In this video, we invite you to explore the beauty and power of spiritual ritual kits crafted especially for healing. Let's dive into the components that make these kits sacred and how they can support you on your journey towards balance and wellness. What's in a ritual kit? Spiritual ritual kits can be a treasure trove of healing tools. Each kit is designed to help you connect with your spirit and the energies around you. As you open your ritual kit, you might find herbs, oils, crystals, and intention-setting items, each serving a unique purpose. For instance, herbs like sage are well known for their cleansing properties. They help to clear negative energy and create space for positivity. Lavender, on the other hand, promotes peace and relaxation, perfect for winding down. The vibrant colors and scents of these herbs can elevate your practices. Crystals are another key element. They not only look beautiful, but are believed to harness specific energies that can aid in healing and protection. For example, amethyst is often used for spiritual growth, while black tourmaline is excellent for grounding. Remember, every item included in your kit has a story and a purpose, all crafted with intention. Creating your sacred space. Crafting your sacred space is an essential part of any spiritual practice. With your ritual kit, you have the opportunity to create a personal altar that reflects your spirit and honors your ancestors. Begin by laying a beautiful cloth on your surface. Kente cloth works wonderfully for its rich colors and its connection to African heritage. Arrange the items from your kit thoughtfully. Place your candles in a safe spot, set your crystals in a way that resonates with you, and don't forget to sprinkle your herbs as you see fit. Every placement is a chance to infuse your space with love and intention. When you create this space, you're not just arranging objects, you're establishing a sanctuary that holds your energy and intentions. Taking time to set up your altar invites peaceful energy into your life. Allow yourself to feel connected to your roots and honor those who came before you. This is more than just decoration. It's about creating a heartfelt and inviting environment where you can engage with your spirit. Ritual practices for healing. Now, let's discuss some simple yet meaningful rituals you can incorporate into your practice. Lighting a candle can be a powerful way to set your intentions for your rituals. Each flickering flame represents light, hope, and the energy you wish to invite. As you light the candle, take a moment to breathe deeply and envision your desires flowing towards you. Sprinkling herbs is another beautiful way to connect with your ritual kit. You may choose to create a small spell jar filled with herbs and crystals, or simply place them on your altar as you meditate. Use this time to set affirmations, maybe even speaking them aloud. Remember, cleanse, align, protect, manifest. Each phrase has the potential to guide your focus and intentions clearly. Incorporating meditation is a wonderful addition to your rituals. Close your eyes, focusing on your breaths, and allow your mind to settle. Utilize the energy from the crystals and the aroma from the herbs to deepen your experience. These moments help you to align with yourself on a deeper level, fostering personal growth and emotional wellness. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on the transformative power of spiritual ritual kits. Embrace this journey, nurture your spirit, and craft rituals that speak to your uniquely beautiful path. Each step you take brings you closer to a state of balance and alignment. Remember, these kits are crafted specifically for spiritual women walking an ancestral path, honoring the connections we share. If you're eager to explore and create your own sacred rituals, don't forget to check out the beautiful offerings available. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more insights and spiritual guidance. Shop now at DaSpiritual Bombs for your own personalized ritual kits that can help you along your journey. Thank you for watching, and may your journey be filled with light and love.